What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my people, boy, may I tell you, say, some tragedy can happen sometime, people, and you just don't know the minute or know when it is going to happen. And you can never know who's going to be the victim, you know. That's why I tell every man, every day we're upon earth, just give the Almighty thanks and praise this. You know what I mean? Well, for this female and our people, you get what me I say? Who many person know as a different type of female still. You get me I say, pertaining to the life that she chooses to live. And her name is Kadeen Campbell, people. And she sadly passed away over in the United States on Friday, February 26, you understand, after she was struck by a SUV. And I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, it is really a sad one, because this female was known by many people in the community where she's from, in Linstead, St. Catherine, and back over there in Hartford, United States, people. You know what I mean? Because she's a girl who loved to party, and basically she was a fashionista, because she have a lot of different style, swag style when she touching at the party, them people. You know what I mean? She's a girl, when she dress, people have to look on her. And as me telling the people, she is a girl, she was born that way, but basically she was living the life differently. You know what that mean already. Which we are going to get into an article that I have here, people, and read through so you can get the full understanding of what going on with this female. Because her family right now, people, is mourning, you know what I mean, because she was well loved by them. So you don't know the thing, so let the attacking boss get into the reading thing. And no, a family is describing as terrible the demise of a 32-year-old who is a native of Mickleton Meadows in Linstead, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Kadeen Campbell was struck by an SUV about midnight on Friday, February 26, while on Albany Avenue by Oakland Terrace in Hartford, United States. The car did not stop. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The incident happened outside a nightclub a day after Campbell's birthday. Her brother, Kevin Campbell, told News, "I was told that somebody was parking and she was trying to guide that person to park. And according to the police, whatever they saw on camera is like the police are saying that she was a little bit out in the road and the oncoming vehicle just hit her and didn't stop." Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja. The police stated that when first responders went to the scene, they found Kadeen unresponsive in the road. She was taken to St. Francis Hospital, where she was pronounced dead. Kevin said he and his late sister were at an event at about an hour before she died. She subsequently was heading to a party while her brother went home. The two live close to each other in Hartford. She likes parties, she does photographs too, and she likes fashion. She is also a les. She is a jovial person. She likes to have fun, Kevin told News. He added, "It's really a difficult time for everyone because my sister is such a close person to everyone. It is a really terrible time." Kevin further stated that relatives and friends of the deceased hosted a candlelight vigil on Saturday, February 27 at the scene of the crash. According to him, his sister migrated to the United States under 10 years ago. She attended the Linstead Primary School, Enid Bennett High School in Bagwalk, and Dintil Technical High in Linstead. Whoa. I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, it is really a sad one. You know what I mean? And to tell you, nobody knows what tomorrow may brings. Because this girl I know, people, you know what I mean, talking about her, she's a girl basically. She was born a girl, you know what I mean, even though she was living a different type of life according to your hearing this thing, people, where her brother says she was a lesbian, you understand? But, yo, her birthday the day before, to tell you how sad it is, people, you know what I mean? So, she's a party girl, love enjoying herself, love to have fun and thing, you get what I say? And she there, maybe she and her link them in the street because this happened a day after her birthday, people, and what them say she had direct a car to park, to fit themselves in her parking. And she out in the road, you get what I say, people? A little bit out in the road. A vehicle come, what them said, like a vehicle don't see her, and hit her, and gone, and don't stop, people. Boom, rush to the hospital, and from there, people, she never make it. She was just 32 years old. And it's a sad one, people. Seeing the pictures and thing of the candlelight vigil the following day, which is the Saturday, you know what I mean? A lot of people mourning the loss of this female, you know what I mean? And I go back to the front where I was saying, people, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. You know, you're there today and tomorrow you're just gone. You're living that happy moment the day before. It's your birthday. You're drinking, you're flossing, eating the cake, you're smoking, you know what I mean? You're dancing, showing off your latest clothes, collect your gift them. Some of the gift them, you not even pull them out, you know what I mean? Because you want that one to be a surprise because you know so you get that gift there from a special person there. And maybe that person that is promised something so special. So you just want to surprise yourself and see it. So you know what I mean? You left that one there for last. And imagine, you not even get to go home if you go pull that gift because what? You're there on the road, you know what I mean? Still I enjoy yourself, still a party. And I not even go question it, my viewers and subscribers, and say why. You know what I mean? Or why she never go home with her brother. Because you know what I mean? They live close by. And you don't know the type of relationship they may have. You know what I mean? He know how his sister go. She love to enjoy herself. You know what I mean? Her friend them did it. She go kill her vibes around this people. But to tell her these people, this is a thing that's been going on. And I have seen where a lot of life been lost through this whole thing. Pandemic. Which people always are dead. We always have accident. We always have, you know what I mean? But in some of the situation, them people, you know what I mean? Like in some cases, and what happened already, people, I don't even like talk and say, yo, if, you know what I mean? But when me just sit still and maybe you can help somebody in the presence we are right now. You see, sometime we are going through this phase right now, which is a pandemic, but sometimes me pray and me look on it so different, people, and me I say, yo, one day if some of these things create, you know what I mean, to spare me my life in certain way, because maybe if things that go on, and me do end up got that event there, you know what I mean, maybe something that happen where my life could have been gone or something, you know. I just think them way there sometimes, people. That's why now, I not rush, even if not either way party I go on around the corner, them I not go there, you understand? Because them don't tell me, say, yo, no party, no gatherings and them thing there. You get me? So, me just go and work with the flow people and just go and secure my thing and go and do the right thing. You get me? So, me just feel say, if some people could have just practice that thing, they even do I know over in the United States people, they think different and they think different over there than what we have to go through right now in the Caribbean. Because you notice small state over there, they don't have no lockdown. Basically, they don't have no lockdown. People still do them thing, even though them still have wear their masks and the government still has a social distancing in most states. But some people just living freely. I have seen videos, I have seen pictures, you know. But it's just one of them sad one, the people, and boy, all I can do is say, my condolences to the family of this girl, you know. And may her soul rest in peace. And people have to tell her the truth, she was a party girl, you know what I mean? I've seen pictures from even back then, before she even migrated to the United States and thing, and she was always enjoying herself, you know what I mean? She was living that life, you get me? Always a swagger too, you know what I mean? So I would consider her one of the swaggish, you know what I mean? Because I've seen these pictures and I have said, why? She has some style, me have to wonder who of you are designer with some of these, you know what I mean, these style people, because they really look good and they're really attractive. But as I say, my viewers and subscribers, nobody knows what tomorrow may brings, and may our soul rest in peace. So, viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss, the end of people, and we just say more love for people, more respect and more blessings, and thanks to the love, thanks to the support from each and everyone who like the video them, everybody who share the video them, who comment on the video them. I do appreciate it, you know what I mean? And big up to everybody who follow me on Instagram, who follow me on Facebook, seeing we on Twitter, and I keep the attacking thing going, you know what I mean? Really appreciate it. And big up to everyone, man, who comes a boom, give you a link on WhatsApp, seeing we special respect to everyone who support the NEWLINK merch, them I get the shirt, them I get the coffee cup, them, and them something there, who hoodie them, wanna support the thing. And big up to everyone who contribute a thing towards the channel, and everyone who are reached to us and give us the news, seeing we and update things. So, I don't know, people, I just more love, more respect, and more blessings, and just stay safe out there upon the ground. You know what I mean? And rest in peace, FASHI0NISTA. You don't know the thing, gangster girl. Peace out. Attack. Big up.